sensibility and practicality define the 2006 Ford F-150 Super Crew. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.